Hi, my name's Chris Horton, and I'm at the Fort Walton Beach MarineMax. And today we're on a 2019 NauticStar 203 SC. This has a freshwater sink, a low-rance depth finder, infinity Bluetooth stereo system, bolster seats, ski tow bar, a nice cocktail table, and a 115 Yamaha 4-stroke with a freshwater shower at the aft portion of the boat. Plenty of seating. Carpet. Also has the bow ladder and anchor storage. Oversized bimini top. If you'd like to know more about this boat, give me a call at 850-974-6032.